If your website still loads on HTTP instead of HTTPS, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in GoDaddy, step by step in a way that is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. This is one of the most important things you can do for security, trust, and SEO, because HTTPS helps protect your visitors and makes your site look more professional in browsers. So if you've been wondering how to turn on the redirect in GoDaddy, this guide is for you. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be posting more easy website and hosting tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy, then sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the hosting or manages the website you want to update. If you have multiple domains or hosting plans, this part matters because the redirect needs to be enabled on the correct hosting product. Once you're logged in, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your registered domains, hosting plans, and website tools. Click on My Products so you can see everything associated with your account. From there, scroll down until you find your web hosting plan. Under Web Hosting, you should see a Manage button. Click Manage to open the hosting control area for that site. This is the part where you can access the settings connected to your hosting plan, including files, domains, and security options. After that, click on cPanel Admin. GoDaddy often uses cPanel for hosting management, and this is where you'll find the option we need. cPanel may take a moment to load, so give it a second if the page is slow. Once it opens, you'll be looking for the section related to domains. Inside cPanel, go to Domains. This area shows the domains connected to your hosting account, and it's also where GoDaddy allows you to manage redirect behavior for those domains. When you open the Domain section, look for the setting called Force HTTPS Redirect. Now turn on Force HTTPS Redirect. This is the key step. Once enabled, anyone trying to visit your website using HTTP will automatically be sent to the secure HTTPS version instead. In other words, the browser will route them to the encrypted version of your site without them needing to type anything differently. After you switch it on, give it a moment to take effect. In many cases, the change is immediate, but sometimes you may need to refresh your browser or test it in a new tab. A good way to confirm it worked is to type your website using HTTP in the address bar and see whether it automatically changes to HTTPS. If it doesn't redirect right away, don't panic. Sometimes browser cache, existing redirects, or SSL certificate setup can affect what you see. In that case, double-check that your domain is pointing to the correct hosting account and that your SSL certificate is active. The Force HTTPS Redirect option works best when your site already has SSL enabled, so make sure the certificate is properly installed. And that's really all there is to it. Go to GoDaddy, sign in, open My Products, click Manage under Web Hosting, launch cPanel Admin, go to Domains, and turn on Force HTTPS Redirect. That's the full process to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in GoDaddy. This small change can make a big difference for your website's security and professionalism, and it's one of those simple settings that every site owner should know how to use. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another GoDaddy or WordPress setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.